8 divided by 2 parenthesis 2 plus 2. This is a classic math question. Okay, very classic one. Try to solve by your own and comment your answer. Okay, I will solve with the help of PEMDAS here. Simple mathematics and nothing else. Here, as we know, PEMDAS first preference will give it into parentheses. So we will operate this part first. 2 plus 2 which equals to 4 here. So we can simply write 8 divided by 2 times 4 here. Now many are solving in a way like 8 divided by 4 times 2 which equals to 8, and 8 divided 8 they will get answer 1. But this is the wrong way. Okay, I will show you how you can solve. We can rewrite our question from here. 8 divided by 2 times 4. Now we have division and multiplication, and as we know, multiplication and division have the same priority, and in that case we have to operate left to right. So we will simply do left to right here. Okay, 8 divided by 2 will operate first, will give result 4 here. So in our next we can write 4 times 4 which equals to 16 here. So here 16 is the right answer, and try to solve all these math questions and also subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.